Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to set up keyword-based private replies. To set up keyword-based private replies, select the store you want to put the setting for, then click on Manage. After that, in the Auto Reply section, go to Keyword Replies. After you've reached this page, add in your keywords and their response. And then turn on Privately Reply to a Comment tab. After that, click on Save New Keyword. Now, when somebody comments in one of your posts with the keywords that you have set, the response message of your comment will automatically be sent in your customer's inbox. Thank you.